Merry Christmas, Annie. Uh-huh. Hi, Annie. It's Christmas morning. Annie's holding her head up and looking around.
She's got crazy hiccups.
She's got the hiccups.
Or did.
She's happy as a clam. We opened presents. We're headed to Papa and Gigi's. She slept 6 hours last night. A big girl. Look at her holding her head up. She's 7.5 weeks, almost 8 weeks.
This is week 8.
This is week 8. She's almost 8 weeks old. Annie.
Oh, okay.
Annie. See if she'll smile for you.
The hiccups are gone.
Just looking around. That's all the show.
This kind of tongue time?
Sure. Hi. Hi. You gonna smile?
You're gonna have that weird noise in every video.
I know, but it makes her smile sometimes. Let's go out of focus. Get in focus, camera. There you go. She's getting good at holding her head up.
And tongue your ears out.
Say hi, baby. Okay. Oh. Oh, that made her happy. Hey, are you talking? Hi. Hey. Hi. Now I just sound dumb. It doesn't even make her smile anymore. You can erase those in the video.
It's an old hat.
Say hi. Hi, Annie Bear. Hi. Oh.
Happy face or sad face?
Sad face. Okay.